Going on, sneaker family, man? You got your boy Quana Dine coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man, and this will be my first video of 2021, man. So if y'all made it to see this video, man, applaud y'all, man. Y'all are blessed. Thank you for tuning in and checking out this video. Definitely a blessing to see it in 2021, and hopefully God has some things in store for us, and it definitely gets better for us moving forward, okay? But anyway, I do got these joints in the background. I do got these dope votes, the gold votes, Jordan 1 gold votes, vote golds, whatever you want to call them. In the background, man, they dope. They're on the sneaker display, man, rotating for y'all, looking good, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, before I go ahead and get into that video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos. And if you have already, I do highly appreciate you. And if you're new, welcome to the Forensic Squad, baby. But anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get into the shoes, man. So your boy do got the box here. You got that Jordan 1 standard box. So you got the standard box, nothing special about the box. Moving into 2021, they is keeping it that basic black Jordan 1 box with that red logo there. Pop the top off from bad boys. And I do got one in the background spinning already, so obviously I got a shoe out, so I just wanted to make sure I get it stringed up and looking good for you. But anyway, here we go. We got the shoe. And if you ask me, it definitely does look good. I want to make this a quick video, but I definitely want to get into my likes and dislikes about this shoe. I want to be completely honest. You know what I'm saying? It is the first Air Jordan 1 release of 2021, and I do want to, open up about the shoe. But anyway, before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a 360 view of the shoe, and we're going to go over all the parts of the shoe and the colors of the shoe, okay? But anyway, obviously you got that Volt green now. You got that Volt green on that leather upper part of that shoe, right around that ankle area. It is a leather collar there. At first I thought it was gonna be like something like a plastic, which I'm glad it's not. It's leather material, so that's a plus. You got your Volt gold on the heel. Okay, all white leather all white upper on that mid section here, right here. All white leather upper. You got that white toe box, that black leather going around that toe box, as well as across the eyelets, right here across the upper part of the sneaker. And it's definitely dope. So it does have that sort of, to me, that mocha look in the front part of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Besides that back area, it does look like the mochas, obviously. As well as having that what is it? That sail colorway on the laces. So they do got the sail laces. These are the standard laces it actually came with in the shoe. As well as coming with a extra pair of black laces, which was dope, you know what I'm saying? I do like that. However, one of my dislikes on it, I do wish they gave you that Volt colorway as far as laces. I feel like the colors that are least dominant should be a pair of laces that come with the shoe. That's just my opinion. That's how I think they should do it. The gold, even the gold would have been dope. Even getting that gold would have been dope, but I mean, there is like 5 colors on this shoe, so I mean, it would have been really asking for too much for all those laces. But you can find them somewhere online, so you can get pretty different with the shoe, and it's pretty dope. You got these tabs here, they're actually loose, and that is something that is like inspired from the Off-White. Definitely, that's definitely something Virgil started with that with the Nike brand, or with that Jordan brand in general. That is something that I've seen on the Off-White ones first. I haven't seen it on any other shoe. until they did the off-whites. That just me. I haven't seen it. I don't know if they've been doing that before Virgil, but I haven't seen it. You know what I'm saying? But that's definitely dope. That's something that I think is dope that they got from there. Inspired from there. Also here, if you look right here on the midsection here, that midsection area, I don't think my camera gonna pick it up, but that is also sail. So I mean, like I said, you got like 5 colors on the shoe. You got that Volt, you got the Volt green, you have the gold, you have the black, you have the white, you have the sail. So I mean, definitely not white here. This area is not white. This is, the tongue is also sail as well. Then you have your Volt green stitching in there, as well as that. Well, that's definitely a dope touch I like about the shoe. That tag is flipped inside out. I feel like that's dope. A lot of people don't like it. I've seen a bunch of videos people claiming they don't like it, but I think that's dope. I think it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope. I think it's a dope touch for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's dope to me. That's dope. And then on the inside of the shoe, you got your white insole. All right, and then that Volt green Nike print, that Nike logo in Volt green on the inside of the shoe, which is dope. I don't like the fact that that whole bottom is white though, because of the fact that you know, it could quickly be dirty. I wish they had that black. I wish that sole on the inside was black, that insole. And then obviously outsole is blacked out, so you have a fully black outsole, standard Jordan 1 sole, outsole on the bottom. All right. And like these, like I said, the flaps as well up here too as well is also loose. So that's something that's dope. But I do see a lot of people claim that they don't like this shoe. They're not too fond of the shoe. The colors, the color blocking. I mean, let's not forget, man. If you think about it, it's not too far from the Mochas. You know what I'm saying? Really. I mean, it's not too far from the Mochas. You know what I'm saying? You know, the Mochas, different thing about it, it has that shiny leather on the toe box, that black leather. And then if you look at these, it's like a matte leather. But all around quality, the quality of the shoes are the same. Everybody's saying this quality is trash. You know what I'm saying? If you like the quality of the Mochas, how the hell are these trash? I'm not understanding. I feel like y'all just talking in the sneaker community, man. Y'all definitely just talking. Everybody entitled to their own opinion, but let's speak facts here, man. Let's speak facts. Anyway, I'm not gonna make this video too long, man. Y'all speak on what y'all can speak on. Definitely a dope shoe, man. If you like this shoe, go ahead and cop, man. Do not listen to these hype beasts. Buy what you like, man. Buy what you like. For 2021, I'm not taking no more of that. Cop what you like. Forget the hype. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, as I say and as I always say, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul. Quick gang, and we out.